welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're just going to be having a little bit of fun. Please do not take this YouTube video seriously or like judging me seriously. This is literally just for fun. I saw these tattoo like stick on edges on Amazon and I was like, this will kind of be an interesting video because honestly I have like no expectations of this even working out, but if it did work out I would be shook. Like I would be like so surprised. So I was like, let me go ahead and buy these so I can do like a quick little video for your entertainment as well as mine, because I had like no faith that this was gonna work out. Let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial, review, whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I got these tattoo edges off Amazon and I was like, wow, like this is probably not gonna work, but it'd be a good video. And also I was like, can this be like a real solution for like ladies or whoever you know doesn't really have that much edges, or like maybe suffering from alopecia or something like that? Could this like really work for them? I personally don't suffer with that right now, but I did before. Like after I gave birth to my daughter, like my hair was falling out like crazy. Like I had literally no edges and they all had to grow back. So bam, I got these set of edges off Amazon and I believe they were only like $10. So I was like, it's not really that much money. Let me just go ahead and get these and test them out. So I got them. They came with like 5 different pairs of edges. You had different styles for different girls, whatever mood you're in. Basically, to prep, I already had my hair put in cornrows because I knew I wanted to put a wig on. So I just braided my hair back in cornrows, and then the next step was I took some hairspray and like sprayed my edges backwards so that way my edges would be out of the way, similar like the same thing you would do if you were applying like a lace front and you know wanted to push your edges back so that way they don't get any glue on them. That's what I did in this case because I didn't want like the tattoo paper to be like, you know, not be able to stick on my skin because I had hair in the way. Once I had them brushed back, I did take an alcohol pad and just clean the perimeter of my head so that way you know, I didn't have any oils or grease that would prevent the edges from sticking on. Then I put on my ultimate favorite wig, y'all. Eunice sent me this wig. It was like a long time ago, and basically I already did that promotion video. I'll have it linked down below, but I literally wear this wig all the time. It's my all-time favorite wig and I would never part ways with it. If it gets a little crunchy, which it shouldn't for like a couple, like at least 2 years, I'm gonna purchase another one because honestly it's a game changer. It's a half wig, but it kind of works in a similar way as a headband wig, but you don't have that irritating like elastic band that comes with headband wigs. It's literally just a half wig and no elastic band. I have a small head, so it fits, you know, it doesn't fit exactly like a half wig. Like it kind of can come to the front of my head like I wear it, and this is the perfect quick throw on wig. Y'all, the curls on it be popping and I just love this wig so much. So but this video isn't about the wig, we're talking about edges. So back to the edges. So I put the wig on, you know, I put my headband on. Now it's time to put on them edges, and y'all, I had a little bit of trouble with this. Like I would have thought it would have been super easy because it's the same concept as when you were a kid. You know, you would go to that little quarter machine and get you your little tattoo, fake little tattoos. It's the same concept. Basically, you cut out the edges that you want. You take off the plastic front to it and then lay it on your skin. Once you have it like on the skin where you want it to, you take a wet cloth or a wet paper towel and damp it on there for about 20 seconds. Once it's like completely on, I would just test it, just peel it up a little bit and see, you know, if it's ready to be pulled off. Y'all, these was a hassle. Some of it was my fault and some of it was the actual product. So when I was trying to put it on, like it easily you know, bits and pieces won't stick to your skin. Same as those little tattoos that you used to get as a kid. You got to make sure that it all, you know, sits, that it's all stuck to your skin. And some of it was just not having it. It was just not getting stuck. And then also, I try to get it as close to my hairline as possible so it would look realistic. And you know, some of the edges did get on my hair, so it wasn't trying to stick to it, because you know, it only sticks to the skin and not your real hair. So once I had it on there, you know, some of the tattoo around my hairline wasn't laying down properly. I was still like surprised at how it looked from a distance. Up close, like, I'm sure you could really tell that it's not real hair, but from a distance it's like, okay, I wouldn't really think twice about it. Like, if I seen a girl out, I'm not all in people's hair or face, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are not. So from a distance it's like, okay, this could probably work, like this could probably pass. I don't know. It didn't look completely terrible once I did the first side, so I was like, okay, I have hope for the other side. Y'all, when I got to the other side of my head, I was like, I messed up. I messed up really bad, because I was putting it on my head and I was like, why is this not sticking? Like, I'm putting in the water, you know, I got it really damp and it's just not sticking to my head. I'm like, what is going on? So then I try to peel off and I realized I didn't take the clear plastic front off of it. So of course it was not gonna stick to my head. So I was like, great. I did this side of my edges looking, you know, decent, and this side, you know, it's messed up because you only have one pair of edges. So I said, let me go ahead and freestyle it. Let me go ahead and add in another pair of edges, and it's just gonna be mixed match edges, because honestly, I'm not gonna wear this out of the house and it's just for video purposes. So once I got the other side on, same concept, you know, you put it on your skin with the plastic backing off. I put it on, and it gave me a little bit of trouble. I'm not gonna lie, gave me a little bit of trouble. It definitely, same thing that happened on this side. I put it kind of too close to my hairline, so some of this part of the edges was kind of sticking up a little bit. So my overall thoughts on this is, I would not really wear this. Like, I would not buy it, because it literally is more of a hassle than anything. Like, it's too much of a hassle. For me, it's a no. It's too much work, too much of a hassle, and I can just wear my real edges. So that would be easier for me than trying to do all this and make it look realistic and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was kind of entertaining, kind of like, you know, informational, kind of something. Hopefully you got something out of this video, and let me know in the comments down below other things you would like me to try out, other things you would like me to review. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell notification button, so that way you'll never miss an upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.